Welcome back to The Rural Dad. Today I'm not barbecuing anything yet, but I do have some chores to do. If you see my other video with the chickens, I got a little hobby farm. I'm gonna start putting a bit of that on my channel just for those interested. Breaks up the whole barbecue thing. I'll keep them separate in different playlists just for you hardcore barbecuers. Anyway, today, just a gorgeous day in southwestern Ontario. It's gonna be about 11 degrees Celsius. And the snow's melting, and that means that I can get a lot more done outside. So I'm gonna get right at it, and I'll give you a tour of the goat pen right after this. Okay. So this is where I keep my 4 pygmy goats. So just the old garage that I shoot all my barbecue videos in usually. I needed some place for the winter to put these guys. So these were originally some 2x6s from an old deck that wasn't being used. So I ripped it apart. I ripped them in half to make some railings, and got myself a nice little pen, keeps them happy. I put a little loft up here for their hay and their feed, just to keep it up off the ground. Keep any critters that are uninvited. And then gives them a little area underneath. This is their door. I just cut a hole in the garage wall. And then they come in and out, and there's Thomas and one of my roosters. And oh, here they come. All right, so then on the other end is where they can stay warm for the winter. It's a little box I had that I originally used for raising chicks in. And what I did was I just added some insulation to it. I doubled up the walls. See here, just some what are those? 2x2s, I think. I can't remember what I used. Anyways, regardless, some plywood, and then in there is in between them is some rigid styrofoam. I did the same for the walls, and then whole bale of shavings in the bottom for them to curl up in at night with each other and stay warm. It hasn't been a terribly cold winter, but it helps anyways. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to clean that out, and I'm replacing it with this new shredded straw that I've tried in the chickens. It seems to work pretty good. I think you get a little more coverage out of a bale of straw than you do a bale of shavings. Doesn't smell quite as nice as that fresh pine, but probably absorbs about the same. Still too new for me to tell just yet, but so gonna get at it. I got 2 wheelbarrows ready to go here, and I'm gonna get forking. Yes, Rowan. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna let you run the little one, okay? Is it okay with that? Yeah. Okay. Start with this stuff first.
Yeah, I know your mom review first.
Okay, well, I'll put some cleaner stuff in your room.
Okay, Dad, that's enough.
Is it okay?
And put some in tons in that.
Yeah, I put tons in that one. You want to wheel it up for me? I got this stuff packed down pretty good, bud. So just like most job sites, once you get your work done, you gotta let your supervisor give it the okay. So get in there, supervisor. Am I done cleaning?
Yeah.
Let me see. Tell me if it meets your high expectations and standards.
Oh no.
As look good?
Yeah.
Better go check that far corner just to make sure I didn't miss anything over there. Way down there by the wall.
No.
Okay, great, wonderful. All right. Okay, so my next step is I'm gonna, because the shavings aren't like totally filthy, I'm gonna take them out of their bedding box and I'm gonna spread them out in the pen. It just gives it a little bit of a base between the hay that they're gonna waste and the gravel. When it gets wet, it sticks up. So put those shavings down now, it'll help put that little bit of a layer in there. So anyway, that's my next task, and I'll give you a little view of that too. All right, gotta go. Supervisor's screaming at me here. You need to bring your wheelbarrow over?
Yeah.
You got a full load? Okay, hang on, buddy. You're getting stuck there. I'll fill mine up, then we'll go dump it. Okay, all right. And then I think we'll be done. We can put the straw in. Once you do your final inspection, of course. Okay. So I think I'm gonna try and just use half of this bale of chopped up straw because I just know that it really does cover well. So if that works, I'll save the rest, and let's just see how this goes. I don't want to put too much in here. It is getting warmer out, and it'll just be a little too tall for them. So here we go. You're gonna play in it. Okay, we're just gonna try and use half. Okay, bud? There's gonna be a lot in here. Because it's really packed in tight. Okay, spread it around. Does that look good?
Come on.
Okay.
Don't do yeast on it.
There we go.
Mom,
All right, buddy.
I'm not here. I'm saying, oh, this hay.
Okay, so I actually have lots of this left over. Maybe use just slightly more than a third of the bag, and it was plenty. So we'll just save that for the next time. Now, hey Reagan, how you doing? Hi, can I come through? Okay, thank you. We will get final approval from these goats. I'll put their water back in for them. Just gonna kick this around a bit. No, little man, don't play with a pitchfork. Get this up out of the way. All right, let's see what these guys think. Come on, Thomas. Hi, Cucumber. And there's Snowball. Come on, Patches. And there's Patches. All right, so they're going in to check it out. Is that good? You happy, buddy? You happy, goat? Oh, yeah? Well, we're good. Okay, so I hope you found forking goat poop entertaining, and I appreciate you sticking around and watching. Give me a subscribe if you want. Check out, got a bunch of barbecuing videos. I got some more hobby farm videos, and I've got more coming. I've got to sit down and start editing. I've got lots of film now. So guys, I appreciate you watching. Give me a subscribe, and we will see you next time.